Hey guys, back to original costumes now, as you can see. But I did want to show you one thing. I did unlock one costume from Merveille earlier. The Puny Mask of Justice. Yeah, it's that costume. No. Yeah, I did promise you a trip to the castle. Have I done enough, I wonder? And what are you selling now? Anything useful? Those monster bird feathers are actually quite useful, but I'm gonna keep my money for now. Oh, I've done it, brilliant. I can report a task now. It's time to announce my evaluation. Yay! Rank up. Well done, most impressive. I can't fault this at all. Great work. With this, my dear twins, you've now reached F rank. Yes, another step forward. What about Lucia? Merveille, I finished my exam. Lydie and Suelle. My, isn't Lucia? You took your sweet time, didn't you? We've already reached F rank, actually. Oh, a matter of seconds. I made it almost the same time, so it's a draw. You really are great friends. Lucia, you're up to F rank too. Well then, all three of you, as promised, I'll take you to your next painting. Yay! What kind of painting is it this time? Can't wait to see it. Just you wait and see, girls. I'll prove my superiority to you during this exploration. There, that's our line. I'm not going to lose to you now, Lucia. There's one thing about painting, however. Well, you'll see. Let's gather in the gallery. Yay! Let's go to a gallery. Is it going to be underwater or something? No, apparently it's frozen. Oh yes, it's that place in the opening. Now, this is the next mysterious painting. Its title is The Luminous Ice Grotto. Impressive, right? I found this one. Negotiations pretty tough too. Impressive, Matthias. Without further ado, then, let's into the world of a painting we go. Hold on. What's happening? Matthias, did you get lumbered over a fake? As if. Sis, explain. You see, the Luminous Ice Grotto is very old. Such its power is a mysterious painting. What's his power? I can go inside and investigate it then. There is a way to restore lost power of a painting. Restoration. Was that build-up really worth it for something so obvious? In any case, that's how we return lost power of mysterious painting. Restoration requires mysterious paints, also known as Nage's paints. Rest of Maria, but she's already got her hands full. Sorry, but just start by helping her out. Of course. We don't need your help, Lucia. Actual students should be the ones to invade the teacher. Seriously? I'll accept your offer. Restoration sounds like a pain, to be honest. Let's go and talk to our teacher. Let's talk to Maria. Oh, hello there. Hey, Teach, talk to us. It's been a while. Come on, let's catch up. Quiet, just give me a moment. Move away with my synthesis. Firis, what are you doing in our teacher's atelier? I was just walking along and spotted Merveille, so I followed her back to her atelier. We've been friends a long time. Right now, though, I'm really busy with work, so please. Work. That reminds me, Merveille. We have some restoration we need to do. Some what? Right. Painting restoration. How far did I get with this? I received the basic recipe, rearranged it, but I'm thinking around to a synthesis. Just wait a moment, I'll get to it. Don't worry, Merveille, we'll handle it. You seem busy, so just carry on. Really? That's kind of you. Take it straight to Merveille once you've finished. Sure thing, leave it to us. So tell me, Merveille, why did I call you teacher? When did that happen? Oh, Fudce is such a troll. I love her. Can I please get some peace and quiet? I've got a good idea. You better help him out. It's not like you're anything better to do. We're two of them going somewhere very interesting. Somewhere interesting? I want to go. I'll just say you two. Do you mind? Not at all. Having along with a big help for us. That settles it. One thing though. Solving everything using alchemy isn't the best thing for them. I understand. I won't get too carried away. Merveille, Firis, what are you whispering about? Oh, no, Snowy. Should we get started on our little adventure then? Off you go. Got to make the items you need for restoration. Yay, Firis joined us. Formations expanded battles. Okay. Enough allies to change your battle formation. Battles will now involve characters fighting in pairs. Only frontline attackers will attack enemies directly. Means certain conditions will also trigger powerful follow-up skills. Okay. Double power by fighting in pairs. Okay. Ooh. That's my to-do list idea. Let's have a look at it, shall we? The recipe bucket will be in the far right column on it. Event. Mystic herb, ores, oil, and hidden power. Yeah, I think I can do that. Formation. Okay. Shoot. Attack 25. She's actually got a decent attack for a lower level. Low defense. Lower speed. Though again on a par with Lydie, I reckon. Mean damage all. Nice. Mean damage to enemies in a large area. Again, nice. Okay. Heavy lightning damage to all enemies. Ice damage to all enemies. Fire damage to all enemies. She also has standing in defense, which is interesting. Oh, interesting. Skill damage, use a skill. Interesting how those work. I'll be sure to consider her, see how it works in future. Ambitious journal. Haven't got anything new there yet. Let's get back to the atelier for now, shall we? Ah, Lydie. I've been wondering this for a while. You find these lumps in mysterious worlds, but what do you think they are? I have no idea, they're so lovely, but I can't stop collecting them. Maybe it's a good chance to experiment with them a little. Count me in. Looking the worlds inside of this painting is a bit to make something exciting. So, this is more incredible than expected. I know, we can use this as a synthesizing process. Well, I don't understand how it works. It's gunpowder, it makes bombs, it's herbs, it becomes medicine. How do you think it works? Like a portable alchemy cauldron? Or could it be? We're not fussing over details, the important thing is how we use them in the future. Look for you, I've got an idea already. Show that notebook. What's this? Ta-da! Leave it to me, a revolutionary idea that I synthesized during battle. I call it the Battle Mix. Okay. Unique approach to alchemy. Consume materials and arceus anima. That you synthesize using special items in battle. Conditions differ for each character, checking from skills. Cool. The effects are weaker than just synthesizing normally, but the speed is just amazing. I know, right? It also takes up so much room for all those bombs and medicine. Super convenient, let's give it a field test as soon as we can. Paint of a Proud Heart, apparently is what that's called. Nope, to-do list. So what's this Paint of a Proud Heart? Okay. I'd make an extra if I wanted to, but no. Quantity. Let's go with that one. Do that. Paint of a Proud Heart. Expensive. There we are. We've done it. I guess we can restore the mysterious painting. Oh, look at that. Mysterious paints. Did you make them? Oh, Dad. You know about them too. Those are what you need to paint a mysterious painting. Those are called nature's paints. I'm the first person to make a mysterious painting. You impressed me again, Dad. You know the strangest stuff. What do you need strange? Anyway, what do you need those for? Oh, nothing in particular. We just wanted to see if we could make them. That's all. Yeah, so just don't go sticking your heads into danger, okay? Dad's like a different person when it comes to his doing his paintings. I know it's crazy. You made with paint anyway. Let's go and show him to Merveille. Let's do that in the next episode. Bye bye.